Hello and welcome to Logimove. Today we're going to provide a demo of our LM7 platform and our curbside pickup module for rental companies. The benefit of this solution is that a field worker can utilize a mobile device and have all the functionality as if he or she was in front of a desktop connected to the rental system. You can see the admin view on the left, which is the back end for creating this powerful mobile solution. The first scenario is Finn from MVP Electrical reserves a skid steer online for pickup at the branch. You can see on the reservation all the details about the customer and the rental. Now clicking on Asset Assignment, you can see the skid steer with tracks, inventory number 33555 was chosen for this order. We now add an additional equipment the customer requested, in this case a bulldozer. We choose it from a specific location, but could have also used the map tool, which has the real-time data of all of our machines integrated through the telematics devices. We simply assign the bulldozer to the order and click Save. Next, we can see how the order can be executed in the field on a mobile device. Nancy, the technician, received the reservation on her mobile device is a high-priority task, as a customer is picking up the machine today. She scans or inputs machine number 33555. The machine is ready for checkout. Nancy clicks through the reservation. You can see a manual is provided digitally. Then Nancy goes through the machine condition, noting damages, overall condition, along with fuel and hours. Nancy then signs that she's prepared the machine and the unit is rent ready. A date and timestamp is noted and tracked. Finn from MVP arrives at the location and Nancy goes to greet him at the designated curbside pickup area. Nancy goes through the machine inspection and condition of the unit with Finn. Showing him machine hours and fuel, along with equipment performance data. Nancy then shows Finn pictures and any existing damages on the unit. Nancy confirms the rental length and pricing for the rental. Credit card information is filled out and Finn digitally signs a tablet. Unit switches from rent ready to on rent in the system, and a date and timestamp is created as an email contract is sent to the provided email address. A few weeks later, MVP is returning the machine. Nancy scans or inputs the machine IC number. Nancy goes through the return process. She sees some damage and takes pictures and describes the damage and provides a rating for the overall condition of the equipment. You can see this unit is integrated with telematics and info is automatically generated on the application. Nancy inputs the new damage and a pictogram of the skid steer appears and walks Nancy through the guided damage detection process. Drop-down screens appear and specific damage is logged. In the return process, the customer as well as Nancy digitally signs a tablet. The damage triggers an inspection and the status automatically changes from return to inspection needed. An email with a PDF is created and sent to MVP. Now we go back to the web and you can see the latest process, and clicking through you can see the detail of the machine and the process history. You can also view the metrics of each individual rental. Every click from Nancy is being fed in real time to the customizable dashboard. Logimove's mobile solution is a native app and can be used offline and in more than 14 languages. For more information, contact us for a free demo and consult on our curbside pickup module.